Now you're going to learn how to update an email using the Trustifi plugin. We are going to enable the Encrypt Message Content button. This is so that we can have control over the email so that we can view the activity. In this email, we're telling an employee to take Jim to lunch using a credit card. However, the card number was incorrect. If you had sent an email with a mistake, you can update the information of the email. You just have to go into your sent folder, then click on the tracking option, and now click on the update message option. Now update the content of the email to what it's supposed to be, and that's it. Now let's check on what the recipient sees. Here you can see that the recipient receives the new message with the updated content. Thank you for joining us at Trustifi. Hit subscribe for future instructional videos, and click on the side for more instructions like this. We will see you next time.